What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. As you can see, we got the iPhone 16 Pro on deck, and today is a case video. Now, I picked this case up off Amazon, and I feel like this might be one of the best deals as far as a case for your iPhone 16 Pro Go. This case is under $15. I think this case is either like $11.99 or $12.99 right now on Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description. But shout out to Cyrill, because I work with them a lot. They send me out a lot of cases, and one thing I like about Cyrill is their aesthetic. They have a very, very clean aesthetic, and that's what iPhone is all about, a clean aesthetic. So I knew I could go to Cyrill and get me a nice aesthetic case for a very budget-friendly price. Now, what we got going on is the Kajuk Mag case for your iPhone 16 Pro, and as you can see, it's a cream colorway. Now, we're not going to get too much into this packaging. It's just some yellow packaging, but this Kajuk Mag case is also a vegan leather case. So vegan leather for under $15, under $20, guys. Definitely a deal, but let's take a look at it. We'll pull it out like so. Oh, that's dope. So if you're in the stickers, even though Cyrill supplies a great budget-friendly case, a great price point, they still give you some stickers for free. So that's a nice touch. Now here we go, guys. This is the case. This is the Kajuk Mag, and it's mag because, of course, Magsafe. We got Magsafe going on with this case. And on the outside, we got vegan leather. So this case got a lot of elements to it to be the price that it is, honestly. But let's just take a look at the case. As you can see, we got that Cyrill branding that's going on around the ring that protects the cameras. And we got that protruding ring to protect the camera lenses on the back of the iPhone, because you know they protrude. So the back of the phone case had to protrude, because you don't want to drop your device and the camera lenses hit the ground before the phone case hit the ground, because you might crack your camera lenses and you'll have destroyed pictures from then on. If you look at the case, guys, this is actually a two material case. We got polycarbonate, and that's basically mostly the whole case. The inside, the whole frame of the case is polycarbonate, but the sides do have some give to them and like have a little soft touch to them. So, you know, the sides feel pretty good in the hand. And on the back, it looked like they just got like a sheet of vegan leather. If you look around the edges, we got this sheet of vegan leather that's going on. So a dope aesthetic, guys. This is the cream colorway, and as you can see, it is very cream. Nice clean case here, guys. We look at the button press. We actually got the action button, and we got some dots on the action button. Let us know it's the action button. We got the volume rockers. All buttons are protruding, and they got slits for easy button press. You look over here, same thing for your power button. And then we have a cutout for your camera control. Now, I must say this vegan leather on the back got like a nice soft touch feel, nice texture. But as you can see, not picking up any fingerprints or oil from my skin. So it's going to stay looking like this. You know, after a while, it may get a little, dark. It is a light case, but very clean and not picking up fingerprints right now. Just a nice, clean cream case, and I know this color is gonna go dope with the desert titanium. Also, if you're in the lanyards, you got a spot to hook up a lanyard. Now, if we take a look at the frame of the case, guys, I also like this. It's got some grip to it. Grip is a big part of drop protection. With the right grip, you won't drop your device in the first place, and it's got like an indentation. So it's like it's a really, really nice case to hold. It's contoured like for your hands and your fingertips. So that's really dope. Now here's the iPhone 16 Pro and the Cyrill Kajuk Mag. Really looks good, really goes well. As you can see, look at this camera cutout, guys. Now, the back of the desert titanium is like almost like a light cream color itself. So it matches perfectly. It looks really good, really clean aesthetically. And I like the Cyrill branding around the raised up camera protection. I mean, a good look. And then we just got the material change with the vegan leather. Really, really fire iPhone case right here for the price point. A nice, easy tactile button press because of the slits. All cutouts is matching. As you can see, that cream and that like that gold, that desert titanium iPhone is around the frame. it meshes very well together. Nice big cutout for your camera control, guys. Like I said, it just looks really good aesthetically, the cream and the desert titanium. So when you hold your device, this case is pretty minimal, even though it offers protection. And around front, you got a nice raised lip around your display. If you don't have a raised lip and you drop your device on a flat surface, just like even this desk, the display is going to take the impact. And what you want is the case to take an impact. And that's why case manufacturers raise the lip around the display, and this has that. So this case got Magsafe. I got a ring holder in my hand. We're just going to see how strong the Magsafe is. Snaps right in. And yeah, it's not going nowhere. Strong Magsafe on this Cyrill case, guys. But yeah, I gotta be honest with you guys. This is a serious case for the price point that it is right now. Like literally full price, it might be $16. And right now, I think it's on sale for like $12. It is the Cyrill Kajuk Mag in a cream colorway. And y'all don't want to know how many times that name that threw me off recording this video. But yeah, if you want a dope aesthetic, a budget case, vegan leather, dope aesthetic, Magsafe for a great price point, this would be something you could definitely check out. It's your boy BG Tech Life. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. Thank you for watching. I'm out. Peace.